So alert is basically used to bring the focus of an user to the web page, right? So for example, you might have seen this in older application and in some of the new application as well. So once I click on this click me button, you can see like I'm an alert box. So this is what alert. First thing you have to remember, whenever there is an alert, we cannot inspect the page or we cannot do any other interaction. For example, I'm trying to right click and do the inspect, but it's not possible at all. Okay. Now let's see how to interact with the alerts. So first of all, what we'll do, we'll inspect this element. We cannot inspect the alert, but of course these are normal HTML web elements. Of course we can interact. Okay. So here we can see like we have something called click me, right? So I'm going to write a XPath for this. So / button and then followed by dot equals, and within single quotes I'm going to pass my value. And here we have 3 buttons. Nice. So we have to write some another type of XPath. Let's go to let XPath. Yeah. Okay, so here we have to write some kind of parent base or child base, or maybe we can go with the indexed based XPath. So here let's go with the index based XPath, or also I can use the following sibling concept here. Let's go and inspect. So here we can say like 1 of 1. Okay. By the way, this is known as let XPath. That is, this is used to find the XPath. If you are interested, you can use it, but for learners at the beginners level, I will recommend you to learn the XPath concept. Okay, since XPath is not in this video, I'm just using the tool to grab the XPath. Okay, so I'll just copy this, and here I will say like driver dot find element, and then followed by dot XPath, and then followed by the value. Okay, then what we are going to do, we are going to do the click action. So we'll say like dot click. Okay, and once we do the click action, what will happen? Of course the alert will appear, right? So I have clicked, now alert is appeared. And as I said earlier, when there is an alert, we cannot do anything. We have to handle it, or else we will end up with an exception. Okay, so how to handle it? In the sense, very simple, we have to switch to the alert box. So for that, in Selenium we have a concept called switch to alert. Let's see how to use that. So driver dot switch to, and then followed by alert. Okay, so this is going to return me the alert reference. So alert is basically what? Alert is basically an interface which will be implemented in the remote alert class. Okay, so if I go within the alert interface, you can see like only 4 functions are there. So it is very easy in Selenium. We have dismiss to click on the cancel button. We have accept to click on the OK button. And if you want to retrieve the text of an alert box, you can use the get text function. That's going to return the string. And if you want to type something on the prompt alert box, then we can use the send case function. Okay, so I'll see one by one now. So let's go to the test, and here I'm going to say alert dot accept. Okay, so this is going to accept the alert. Okay, so let's go to the next one. So here I'm going to click on this particular box, click me from the JavaScript confirm box. Okay, so again we'll try to take the XPath. Okay, it's basically the text based with the collections concept. You can write a better XPath, but I think this is fine. Okay, so here I'm going to select driver dot find element, and then followed by dot XPath and the value, and again I'm going to do the click action. So basically it will try to click on the next button, right? And there we are going to do the dismiss action. So I can use the same alert reference. So here I can select alert dot dismiss. Okay, now if you want to type on the alert, that's going to be very simple. As I said, like we have the send case function, right? So let's go and inspect this one. So here I can see like we have this XPath. So I'm going to use this. So driver dot find element by dot XPath, and here I have to give my value, and again I'm going to do the click action, right? And then followed by I'm going to say alert dot send keys, and here I'm going to type my name, that is Kaushik, and that's it. We are pretty much done. We have typed the name, but of course we have to handle it, we have to accept it. So again I'm going to say like alert dot accept. Okay, that's it, very simple. And if you want to know what is the text present in the alert, then we can use the get text function. So I'm going to say like sysout, then followed by alert dot get text. Okay, and always remember we have to use the get text before handling the alert. Once we accept or dismiss, of course there won't be any alert, right? After that, if you say like alert dot get text, eventually we will end up with an exception. Okay, so I'm going to execute this now, and then I will show you what are the exception we can expect from the alert. Okay, so I'm going to click on this run button now directly from the test script, and let's go to our lambda test platform. I think I have given the same name as dropdown, so that's why that is this is also running in the same dropdown section. If you change the build name and the test case name, of course we can see another test report like this. Okay, so let's go to the, it's completed already and it took around 8 seconds, which is really fast. And if I go and play this video, I don't think you can see actually all those alerts because it will be really fast, but let's see. Yeah, here you can select, we got that one, and here also, yeah, it's completed. It's very insanely, it's very fast, but yeah, that's good actually. Okay, so if you go here, you can see like I'm an alert box, that is the text we have printed from here, right?